Oh no, probably should, dude. You never know. Got a train coming. Is that what you saw?
Oh yeah, you did.
Dad, Matt, Dad, hey.
What?
You probably crossing when it comes.
The train's not here yet.
I can't even see him, Mom. If we getting away. Oh my God, the weeds. It's about to come. Train coming. Yes, it is. CN truck? No. Hot CN truck.
So what is it? Like, it makes you an LLC?
How are you leaving that?
What does?
This insurance?
Dad.
LLC is just your business.
Cross.
It's your tax.
It's limited liability.
Like when it comes to.
It's your business, but not your personal possession.
Okay,
Is
so
it coming?
this
Yeah,
insurance is what?
it's still down there,
General
dude.
liability.
Let's go
General
see it.
liability? Okay, because sometimes E and Y insurance.
Hey, Mom. Mom.
LLC.
Mom.
That's just
I want.
Business insurance.
I guess it's hard to see here because the beach. You know?
Does it matter what county you get it in?
no. But,
I better not park.
I mean, I found one in our county, so.
At my park, okay? No, no. Sometimes it's a mistake. Sometimes they make mistakes. Yeah, is it coming?
Yeah, really slow. I see the lights.
Okay.
See the light?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's the young truck anywhere up there? Here it comes. They're coming. It's going very slow. Because it was parked, it's going now. They're coming, yeah, I guess you can go right now.
Hurry the fuck up, 'cause I still got shovel
Now
driveway
coming
and
too,
take a
there's
shower.
it's a train. Okay, so we're on soon, not yet.
Are you talking to the
It'll be a while. Let's watch.
Not really.
You can stop at my case is no, it's a truck. Cause it's a truck right, man.
Look here, way.
Alright, where is this been? Better not
Might
park.
have been who I already called one like
To be honest, with you, dude.
$100.
that. No, they referred me to Alberto as well.
Shit, let me turn this off your phone.
Mom.
Everybody referred me to
Oh, can I see?
Alberto. No, the battery's
Mom.
Albert L.
Mom.
Alberto.
Mom.
What?
I really want to see. Mom.
What?
I really want to see it.
See what?
It's not fucking moving.
No, I said I really want to see a train. I see one of. Alright, really? Come on, train. Just don't stop.
What?
It shouldn't. It could.
Hold on.
When I was parked before. Dude, it's a train, okay?
Hmm?
I'll be going down Range Road.
It's going extremely slow. What's it say? I'm sure it's the damn thing.
Oh, that's fine.
Alright, come on.
A snail's pace.
It's literally been
Mom?
there for the last 10
Mom,
Look, Gabe.
I have a feeling we're not going to see it all.
I have that feeling too.
I really want to see a night southbound. It's so bad. Because it's all 8 months.
I don't mind seeing it once in a while, but
It's moving, it's just going. It stopped, good.
So you want still like one?
It's moving, it's just going slow.
about when we get it. So.
Jesus Christ. Come on, son. Move, man.
Had it too bad.
This year.
The camera's hard to
What was
see.
it last year? We got what? In one
It's gotta be
storm,
moving,
it
huh?
15 inches.
Yeah, yeah. Lily had a blast, remember?
It's gonna stop, yeah,
Under
it's
the
gonna
snow
stop.
and by the sidewalk
That's like a
was
sun.
up over the tree. That little
We're not
tree
even if it
from,
stops, we have to, okay?
The snowbanks were waist high.
Mom?
It was just on the sidewalk on the
Oh, yeah.
driveway. It was ridiculous.
Mom,
What?
it's not stopped, is it?
Not yet.
No.
I have a feeling it's just going to stop.
I'm starting to get freaked out, it is.
What was that?
What? What?
It would do that.
Come on.
Trans?
Yeah.
What is that?
Oh my gosh.
Is that bad?
Freaking kidding me?
Is that bad?
I don't
Come on.
know. Kendall, hold on.
It's gonna stop, man.
Why did that?
That was rough. Were you moving the...
Mom,
Oh yeah, I moved it, but
Mom,
Hold on, Gabe.
cell phones don't take that long.
this one seems to be.
What? It's just moving very slow, obviously. Got me out here. Why don't we put the damn plane? I don't care. I want to see it.
To the car.
You know what? He's gonna
Mom, I could get it down.
he shut his light off.
Alright, I'm gonna stop recording for a minute because I don't know if this train is gonna stop or not.
What are you gonna do? Just sit there?
Yep.
If this train doesn't move, this is not good. This is not good. This is not gonna be a good video. Jesus Christ, Spike crossing already?
Yeah, he's gonna stop and shut his lights off.
Mom?
It's gotta be scary for people
Mom.
going over that don't really
Mom?
pay attention.
Okay, Mom, hey.
You know what I mean? You're
Mom,
in the
look at
car
me.
and you're going over the train
Mom.
right there. What game?
God damn it. There it goes. Oh shit. Car.
It's fine, game.
Oh,
Shut his
stop
lights
it.
off. He's not going.
Wait,
Shut
stay.
his lights off.
He's parking, Gabe.
I think it's going down. Mom.
Yeah, he's not gonna go.
Hey, Mom.
That's what he's gonna do.
I wanna see it. I really wanna see it, Mom.
I know, bud. Hold on.
But you can't.
We can't control what he does.
Mom,
What game?
the cell phones don't take that long.
This one's taking forever.
Oh, damn it.
It's gonna park, Gabe.
Oh, come on. Mom.
I think